Hello fam, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do an unboxing video for the latest benefit event. It was one of the hugest launches for the brow styler. These has not even hit markets yet, so I get this, which is really cool. So it comes, the first things first is the PR kit. So it looks like that, so cute. And it's like a photo booth, and I'm gonna open that later. First of all, let's just go through the stuff. Like, I love benefit events because they have all of this like nice games for you to play, and then you get goodies along the way. So that was me with the benefit team. Shout out to you guys, I love you guys. And we played a bunch of games and we got goodie bags for them. And this one is the first thing out of the box. I think it's a tote bag or something. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. I also get this cute pins. We have totes cute. Totally. And of course, an eye and a brow, because that's how we roll. I don't have my brows done because I want to check out how this baby works, and I want to record my first impression. So this Hello Gorgeous and these three cute little pins. So I'm gonna add those to this bag, and I'm sure it looks better with all of the pins. Next, like, what do we have? Ooh, we also played like little like claw games, and this is what I got. Like, I love the Hello Happy foundation. I'm actually using it right now in a shade of 4.5. And this one is a shade 4.0. I mean, it's just 0.5 off, but I'm using it. It's like a little bitty, small little tester, and I guess I'm gonna be using it whenever I travel. It's so easy for me to have these. It's so much better, so that I don't have to like bring the whole thing and I get more luggage space. So that's cute. And I also got this Gimme Brow mini item. So basically, it's something that you can use. This is a fiber gel for your brows, and it's basically for people like me with sparse eyebrows. I shade them, but if I don't, this would be like super thick, and this one would be like almost non-existent. So what I always do is I have fillers, and this is amazing, and it's so cute. It's just like a little bullet. And yep, what else do we have? We have this is a pour milk bag. It's a pour milk bag. Let me just get this out. How do I get this out? Whoop. Focus, Reina, focus. Oh my god, it is cute. So it's like a square thing right there, and it's actually kind of like, it looks like a milk carton. That's so cute. And it's a makeup bag, obviously. So it opens up like that, like a box. This can fit so much. Actually, the design is very, very smart because you don't want to be rummaging through your stuff. So this would definitely be my new travel makeup bag because I don't have time to do everything. And last but not least, now it's empty, I got this, which is, honestly, I don't know what it is. Let me say, oh, it's a branded mirror. So what it is that, so again, it's the other way around. So you get this, and when you open it, you get this pouch where you get all of this stuff. You put in all of your brushes in here. This is like so good for people on the go. I swear, this is like saving my ass, literally saving it. So it also comes out like that, and there is a mirror. Oh no. But unfortunately, my mirror is cracked. So yeah, there goes like me using it. I mean, oh, I'm so sad now. But I can still see myself, but it's supposed to be like that. See, a little like makeup area so that you can just do your face on the go, and you have all of these here. But it's cracked, so I'm not sure whether I'm gonna use it. I mean, you guys can send me a new one, Benefit, if you're watching, haha. But yeah, that is it. Okay, going down to the big ticket item here, which is this one. So I'm just gonna open it up. So they have a little tab here that you pull, I guess. So I suck at unboxing things, I swear to God. 1, 2, 3. That is so I get one. Let me see. It says here that this is the brow styler, right? You have it in multiple colors. I think you have 8 different colors for this line. And we got, which one is this? Number 3. Number 3 is a warm light brown. I don't mind it because my hair is always like a different color anyway, so it's always good for me to have like different shades. And you can hear the product. There's like a ball inside or something. Yeah. So this is the brow styler. It looks like a little wand. I love their design. Their product packaging design is just so whimsical and nice. So this one you pull out the cap, and the other one you twist out. And this is the wand. I'm gonna swatch this in a bit. Let's see what else is in here. So there's a little edge here that you pull, and oh, okay, that was surprising. There's 2 more inside here. So I have this one in a 5, which is like warm black brown, which I can totally match with my look right now because I have darker hair. And I have the 3, which I'm going to need in a few months because this is going to fade out into a pastel blue. Perfect. So I'm going to actually use the one in shade 5 because I just feel like it just complements my look so much better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pencil first, and I just like to draw my brows first and then fill it in. A lot of people like to do it the other way around, but whatever fits your fancy, right? Okay, what I can say is that it is pigmented. It glides on very easily. Now that I have the shape there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this side and kind of like fill it in. It is very pigmented, and I think that one swoop can finish the entire brow for sure. And I like that it's not so harsh, and you can actually use the applicator to kind of like blend in the rest of your hair, and also the harsh lines, you can blend that out quite easily. Oh wow, you see the difference if you have brows and not, like this as opposed to this, like made up, not made up, made up, not made up. Like there's so much of a difference. And to be fair, to try this product, I'm not going to use any other applicator or whatever it is. Normally, I would take like a spoolie and just like brush out my brows, but I'm not going to do it because it's supposed to be this baby performing on its own. I actually really am digging the brow pencil because it glides on so easily. It's pigmented. I don't have to like press a lot. And it just glides over, and the fact that it's like shaped a little bit longer like this gives you kind of like a better precision, and drawing straight lines is definitely easier. So if you're new at doing brows, I think a cut like this would be better for you, because if you have such a thin tip, right, and it's not like straight like that, I think like control wise is a little bit harder. Okay. So going back to this. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I just swatched it a bit and then bam, the whole thing came out. So I'm gonna just use the applicator to like blend, 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 blend. I swear to God, I must blend this This is quite thick actually. It's very, very pigmented. So I would suggest definitely to like tap on the applicator a little bit so that all the excess pigments does come off. Like you don't want, unless you have like a lot of like very sparse areas, then you can just like tap it on. But if your brows are quite full, I definitely suggest you like tap off the excess product before swiping it on your brows. So this is how the brow styler performs without any other product, any other spoolie or whatever it is. It's just the product itself and whatever tools that comes with it. I feel that the applicator can definitely replace the function of a spoolie. That's really good. And I also love the fact that if you guys are not into like this bold eyebrows as much, you guys can just use the powder ones for a quick everyday look, a quick touch up. So this retails at 179 ringgit. I mean, holy cow, that's a lot of money. But I am going to try this and I think it will last you quite a long time because you don't need a lot of product. A little goes a long way. So I would bet that this would last me about 3 months-ish because this one definitely surprised me. There's so little product when you like twist it out. I would have thought that I would have gone through the whole thing in like a month, but in fact it did last me a few months, so that's what I'm really happy about. My first impression of these is that I love them. It's really, really pigmented. The wax pencil is pigmented as well. Those are basically the problems I get when I try wax pencils. It's just, it is waterproof and it does glide, but then I just don't get the pigments. Here you get the pigments, and I would definitely suggest you taking like a shade down for your eyebrows for these because it is very pigmented if you're the type who needs to like pack on the products, you know what I mean? And aside from that, Benefit cosmetic products when it comes to the brows, I mean, there's not a lot of other brands out there who's really putting in so much thought into making it user-friendly, making it look good, making it like multifunctional. So that's one thing that I would give the brand in general, and I'm definitely going to try and use this as much as possible just so that I can compare it with other products that comes out later. I definitely was glad that I had the chance to have finished precisely my brow pencil and have a good comparison because it's definitely two different products. I really feel that this product is much better to use with people who are just starting out. The shape of the pencil itself is really helpful when it comes to like drawing lines, so that's good. And the powder is just also good for people who are not so comfortable with a very defined look, as opposed to this one where it takes a lot of time and a lot of skill, in my opinion, because it's either you use a lot of product to like fill in your whole brow, which is not what it's supposed to be, or you have to like draw in individual lines and stuff like that. It's also very thin tip, so if you don't have a steady hand, it's not going to be good for you. And if you don't have the patience to kind of like draw in every single brow if you don't have the patience to draw in every single strand for your brows, then it's gonna be hard. So this is definitely more user-friendly, more friendly towards like people who just want to start out. It's also compact. I feel that this two-in-one thing is just a slam dunk. So that is my wrap up, and if you guys have any other questions or if you want to add anything, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next week with more stuff.